everything in double? A. Dog. B. Chameleon. C. Horse. Correct answer is B. Chameleon. Which color flag is used to stop a train? A. Green. B. Red. C. Yellow. Correct answer is B. Red. Where does the sun rise first in India? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Assam. C. Sikkim. Correct answer is A. Arunachal Pradesh. Which state in India produces the highest amount of sugarcane? A. Maharashtra. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Punjab. Correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Which color is considered a symbol of peace? A. Blue. B. White. C. Green. Correct answer is B. White. In which country is fighting considered the national sport? A. Thailand. B. Japan. C. Brazil. Correct answer is A. Thailand. Which animal is considered the king of the jungle? A. Tiger. B. Lion. C. Elephant. Correct answer is B. Lion. Which is the largest city in India by area? A. Delhi. B. Bengaluru. C. Mumbai. Correct answer is A. Delhi. Which Indian bank has the highest number of branches? A. HDFC Bank. B. ICICI Bank. C. State Bank of India, SBI. Correct answer is C. State Bank of India, SBI. Which animal sleeps for the first 2 months after birth and cries like a baby? A. Koala. B. Bear. C. Seal. Correct answer is B. Bear. When were atomic bombs dropped on Japan? A. 6 or the 9th of August 1945, B. the 15th of August 1947, C. the 1st of September 1939. Correct answer is A. 6 or 9 August 1945. How many players are there in a Kho-Kho team? A. 9, B. 11, C. 7. Correct answer is A. No. By what other name is Milkha Singh known? A. the Flying Indian. B. the Sprint King. C. the Flying Sikh. Correct answer is C. the Flying Sikh. Which is the largest bank in India? A. Punjab National Bank. B. HDFC Bank. C. State Bank of India, SBI. Correct answer is C. State Bank of India, SBI. Where were the 2014 Olympics held? A. Beijing, China. B. Sochi, Russia. C. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Correct answer is B. Sochi, Russia. Which was the first country in the world to issue currency? A. China. B. Greece. C. Egypt. Correct answer is A. China. In which Indian state is the Bihu festival celebrated? A. West Bengal, B. Assam, C. Orissa. Correct answer is B. Assam. What is the average lifespan of a turtle? A. 50 years, B. 100 years, C. 150 years. Correct answer is B. 100 years. What is the national flower of India? A. Rose, B. Marigold, C. Lotus. Correct answer is C. Lotus. Where did Lord Buddha deliver his first sermon? A. Bodh Gaya, B. Sarnath, C. Lumbini. Correct answer is B. Sarnath. Which is the widest river in India? A. Ganga, B. Brahmaputra, C. Yamuna. Correct answer is B. Brahmaputra.